Hello everyone. Have you ever faced the problem of buying a secondhand iPhone and then realizing it's locked with an iCloud password? Or perhaps there's been a time when you simply forgot your own password. It can be frustrating, I know. But there's good news. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a straightforward method to unlock your iPhone without any charges. You won't need any special tech skills for this. All you'll require is the IMEI number of your phone and your email address, so stay with me and let's solve this together. So the first step is to get your phone's IMEI number. So to do that, simple dial *06#. Alright, as you can see here, you will get your 15-digit IMEI number. This is very important, so keep it somewhere close because we're going to need it in the next step. In this website, we will request the unlocking of the iCloud account of your device, so we just need to go here to this form. You just need to complete a simple form with the details of your device. Your exactly iPhone model, IMEI number, and your personal email address, where you will receive the confirmation that your iCloud account was successfully unlocked. After completing this form, you just have to wait until you get the confirmation that your iCloud account has been unlocked and receive the new credentials to log in into your iCloud account. Sometimes it's super fast, sometimes it takes a couple of hours, so you have to be very patient. But once your unlocking form will be processed, you will get an email just like this. The email will confirm that your iCloud account has been unlocked, and you will receive the new credentials to log into your iCloud account. Now you just need to log into your iCloud account with the new credentials, and your iPhone will be fully iCloud unlocked. I hope this video was useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.